1. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be opening up the celebrations memories box. And the one, the only, the Big O's gonna open this one.
Big blue, twisted blue.
Yep. What's your chase card?
Ghost Umbreon, bro.
Ghost Umbreon?
I love Umbreon.
Alright.
Umbreon. It's one of my favorites, bro.
So we went to like an anime convention, and the original Gold Star Umbreon was going for what he said,
$13,000.
Yeah.
What was it? A graded 9?
Yeah, it was a PSA graded 9.
The original one?
So
Oh my god, that's horrible. Look what they did. That's horrible.
It's all bent.
Yeah, they had a line.
Oh yeah.
Just did. Let's see.
Yep. That's all good. Alright. The jumbo card. Now is this Charizard. The little pin.
The coin.
Flip heads or tails.
I'm calling it right now. He pulls
Which
a
one?
original
Heads for
Charizard.
Charizard.
I'm telling you.
Alright, guys, we're
I'm
pulling a
calling it
Charizard
right
tonight.
now. He pulls a Charizard.
A little pin, you know what I'm saying?
Sylveon pin.
It's just a regular Sylveon. Let's start with Battle Styles. Feels pretty thick.
Blue cold card.
Blue code card.
Pack.
Let's go, what's
If you pull that
White gold card.
if you pull a Charizard, I'll give you that Tyranitar.
No.
green code card?
Nah, I'm not gonna do it.
You don't want that Tyranitar for that Charizard?
Nope. You tripping, boy.
That hardcore Tyranitar?
No, sir. What do you take me for, a fool?
Slow
Oh, there ain't slow, bro.
They're about the same price?
Nah. Darkness ablaze.
B-Max
Man, this is
Charizard.
soft. Green.
Damn.
Usually that means good
You
stuff.
just want to get to the celebrations, huh?
No.
You don't know that.
That's true.
Energy, OPC, Ariados, Drugio, Hippopotamus, Goldet, Skitty, Dino, and Jigglypuff, and Birdkeeper.
Oh my
Time
goodness, a
playing.
bird keeper.
Alright, time for the big money.
Big money. First pack magic.
Yeah, basically.
I'll bend it.
Yeah, you messed up the Charizard. Just like rip it.
Oh my god, these are so fragile.
Yeah.
Just because it's really 4 cards.
What was that?
Chills.
Did we just hear a ghost?
What was that, bro? What was that?
What? That sounded like right near us,
It
bro.
sounded like it was right here.
I was probably
Alright,
No, but we could hear the
first
TV.
one?
Alright.
second round.
Sick wrong.
Evelta,
That sounded like a cat to me.
Xerneas. Oh, I think I see
And-
something.
And
Oh, Flying
Flying
Pikachu.
Pikachu.
Yeah, I already have one. I think I have one. I don't know, my other box is right there.
I haven't seen you get anything.
imagine that the video. I like fall.
ghost.
You get attacked.
Yeah. The ghost pushed me.
Freaking Venom over here would be at the most risk for injury.
Alright,
He's on a chair.
we got another Evelta.
Oh, you got a white code card?
Show some support, guys.
Yep. This is the Halloween edition.
Xerneas,
It is October.
Dialga, and Pikachu. Can't show that code card.
Show me this one.
Nah, it's mine, boy.
Because we're gonna battle. Right, Big O.
Yeah.
I'm tired of you
That online
whooping.
TCG.
Yeah, I'm tired of you whooping me.
Did y'all see that there's gonna be a new like TV?
Oh, there's gonna be one like for the
the phone?
phone.
Oh, for real?
Yeah,
I'm gonna get it.
yeah. Hopefully you could like transfer it. Like
Come on. Right? It'll be nice.
I see something.
A Velta. Ooh, Kobe. Ooh, like his admin.
Ooh.
I never seen
I like this one. This looks nice.
And Charizard.
And Surfing Pikachu. That's my second one. Was that my third one? Which one did I give you, Susie?
my packs. Oh, the next
Come on, come on, come on. I'm brown. That's what I want. That's what I'm shooting for. Aight. That's it.
Is it?
No shit.
That's be it.
Charizard.
What's it?
Charizard or Umbreon. I'll be happy with either. Alright, let's see. Another Evelta. A Cosmo. I don't know. Reshiram and a Mew. That's nice too.
Shiny.
2 more to go.
2 more packets.
Give us your energy, guys.
Let me open this a little different, maybe. There's the way I'm opening them.
Come on, Arceus. Arceus.
Ooh.
Come on. The Pokemon.
Aight. Let's see what it is.
Or Hoopa, send something too.
Groudon. We got Evelta again. Oh, Kyogre. I feel like it's a Pikachu. Pikachu, of course.
The last pack, man.
Last pack magic. Come on.
Come
Umbreon, Charizard. Ghost Rare, Yu-Gi-Oh card.
Ghost Rare.
Yeah.
Sounds nice. Ooh, that one's easy to open. Oh my god, it's a white code card.
Oh my god, guys.
So we got a Evelta.
Again?
A Lugia.
Man.
Ooh, Zekrom. Full art Zekrom.
Pretty hard to hold it down.
And a Lunala. That was weird though.
That's it, bro. Boy, shining. Look at that shine.
It's nice.
Alright, guys. We didn't get our Ghost Umbreon, our Charizard, none of that. But we did get a Zekrom.
Yeah.
Make sure y'all tune in for more openings. And we'll see y'all next time. Peace. Caesar, say bye.
See you later. See you guys soon.